Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make English fudge full guide. Preheat a heavy-bottomed pan and gather sugar, butter, milk, and a candy thermometer. Start by melting butter gently, then stir in sugar and milk until smooth. Heat slowly and stir constantly so the mixture cooks evenly and does not scorch. Keep the heat moderate and be patient. Great texture comes from careful cooking and constant attention to doneness. Bring the pan to the softball stage while stirring with a wooden spoon and watching the thermometer closely. Once you reach the target temperature, remove from heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly before beating. Cooling helps form the right crystal structure for creamy fudge. Beat with steady strokes until it thickens and loses gloss, then fold in vanilla and any add-ins gently to maintain a smooth, rich texture without overworking the sugar crystals. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great while you carry home warm fudge. It's a fun little treat to pair with baking trips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After beating, transfer the fudge to a lined pan and press it evenly with a spatula for a clean finish and uniform thickness. Pat the surface smooth and let it set undisturbed at room temperature for several hours until firm to the touch. For cleaner slices, chill briefly before cutting, then use a sharp knife warmed under hot water and wipe dry between cuts. Store pieces in an airtight container to preserve softness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.